Once in the serene depths of the ocean, there lived a gentle mermaid named Marla. Her skin shimmered with a silvery hue, and her long, flowing hair enveloped her like a veil of seaweed. Marla possessed a unique star map, a magical scroll that glowed with the constellations and guided the night sky. One day, a strong current swept through Marla's tranquil home, and the star map slipped away from her delicate grasp. Her heart sank, but determined, she decided to journey through the peaceful waters to reclaim her lost treasure. As Marla drifted through the calm ocean, the myriad of vibrant corals and schools of curious fish surrounded her. "Have you seen my star map?" she gently asked a passing turtle. The wise old turtle squinted at her with kind eyes and nodded. "I saw it drifting toward the kelp forest." Thanking her shelled friend, Marla swam onward, gracefully weaving through the gardens of swaying kelp. Along the way, an amused dolphin joined her, leaping and playing alongside. "Can I help you, Marla?" the dolphin clicked joyously. "I'm searching for my star map," Marla explained. "Let's find it together," the dolphin chirped, swimming with energetic swiftness. Eventually, they reached the edge of the kelp forest, only to find a mischievous sea otter playfully juggling the glowing scroll. "Dear Otter," Marla called as she approached calmly. "Might I have my map back?" The otter paused, recognizing the mermaid's gentle plea. "Oh, of course, Marla. It's such a delightful light." With a grateful nod, Marla carefully took the star map, her heart lightening with relief.